In this video, I'll be demonstrating uploading courseware using the Files pod in Adobe Connect. I will upload courseware. I'll show using the Files pod in the lecture layout, and I'll demonstrate downloading courseware from the Files pod. Let's get started. Here I am in an Adobe Connect class. I'm going to upload the courseware for my students using the Files pod. You can see I'm currently in the lobby layout, and the Files pod is located in the bottom left-hand corner of my screen. To upload a file, I'm going to choose Upload File, and then I need to locate the file I want to upload. I'm going to choose Browse My Computer. Locate the file I want to upload, choose Open, and the file is uploaded. When the file is done uploading, it is now available to all students. If I were to change my layout from lobby to, say, lecture, you may notice that the Files pod is no longer on the screen. To show it, I simply go to the Pods menu at the top, go down to Files, and choose Files. That brings the Files pod back on the screen, and the students will now be able to see it and interact with it. When I'm done using the Files pod in this layout, to remove it, I go to the Options menu in the corner, and I simply choose Hide. If I go back to the lobby layout, since the Files pod was originally part of that layout, it's always there even if I were to hide it. Now to download a file, all the student needs to do is simply select the file they want to download and choose Download Files. This will launch a browser. In the middle of the browser, they'll see a link to download the files. And based on which browser that they use, it will download to their Downloads folder or another directory if they've changed their defaults. And that's how you load files to the Files pod and download them.